Ever wondered how your daily habits impact your overall health? It's a question that often slips through the cracks of our busy lives. But the truth is, our daily habits are the building blocks of our health and well-being. Imagine your life as a magnificent building. The grandeur of this edifice is determined by the quality of each brick, each plank, each nail. Similarly, the quality of our health is determined by the combined effects of our daily habits. Now, let's talk about the three pillars that support this magnificent structure of health: physical exercise, a balanced diet, and mental health practices. Each plays a unique role, and together they create a sturdy foundation for a healthier life. Remember, small changes can make a significant difference. A 15-minute walk, an extra serving of vegetables, or a few minutes of meditation can start a ripple effect of positive change. As we dive deeper, remember, every small step counts towards a healthier you. Think regular exercise as a chore? Time to look at it as your body's best friend. You see, regular physical activity is a key player in maintaining good health. It's like a magic potion that can improve your physical health, boost your energy levels, and elevate your mood. We're not talking about running marathons or lifting heavy weights. Simple activities, like taking the stairs instead of the elevator, can make a big difference. Or how about doing short workouts at home? Maybe a quick dance session while you're cooking dinner, or a few jumping jacks during commercial breaks. It's all about finding ways to move more in your everyday life. Remember, every bit of effort counts. Be it a brisk walk in the park or a rigorous gym session, your body appreciates every move you make. So let's embrace exercise as a lifestyle, not a duty. Your body will thank you for every move you make, so keep moving. Ever thought about how the food you eat fuels not just your body, but your mind too? It's not just about counting calories or hitting the gym. The food we consume plays a crucial role in our overall health, affecting everything from our energy levels to our mood. Consider this: our bodies are like complex machines, and the fuel we put in them, our food, impacts how well they function. Eating a balanced diet full of diverse food groups can contribute to our well-being in numerous ways. Proteins, for instance, are the building blocks for our cells, while carbohydrates provide us with the energy we need to keep going. Fruits and vegetables are loaded with vitamins and minerals that boost our immunity, and healthy fats are essential for brain health. Making healthier food choices doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as increasing your intake of fruits and vegetables and reducing processed foods. Remember, you are what you eat, so choose wisely. How often do you check in with your mental health? It's time to make it a priority. Far too frequently, we overlook this crucial aspect of our well-being. Mental health is not merely a side note to our physical health. It's an integral part of the whole picture. Imagine your life as a tree. A tree's strength doesn't just lie in its robust trunk or its vast branches. It's also in its roots, hidden beneath the surface. Our mental health is much like these roots, quietly influencing our overall health from beneath the surface. So how can we nurture these roots? Practicing mindfulness is an excellent start. This involves being fully present in the moment, acknowledging your feelings without judgment. Taking regular breaks is another vital practice. These intermissions can reduce stress and increase productivity. Lastly, maintain your social connections. Sharing experiences, laughter, and even occasional tears with loved ones can significantly enhance your mental well-being. Just as you exercise your body, remember to exercise your mind too. Now that we've explored these three key aspects of health, let's tie it all together. A healthier lifestyle is a combination of regular exercise, a balanced diet, and a strong focus on mental health. It's a three-legged stool that provides the support for an active, fulfilled life. Start with a simple exercise routine. You don't have to run a marathon on your first day. A brisk walk around your neighborhood or a few gentle yoga poses can be a great start. Next, pay attention to your diet. Incorporate a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains. Remember, you're not just feeding your body, you're fueling your mind. Lastly, don't forget about your mental health. Practice mindfulness, get plenty of sleep, and don't be afraid to seek help if you're feeling overwhelmed. Remember, a healthier lifestyle is within your reach. Start today and build a healthier tomorrow.